the day has come. I hit 200 subscribers. Well, actually not yet, because this is just pre-recorded. I found this is probably the perfect day that I'm gonna get. There's barely any wind. It's not terribly hot. So this is just a Savage Mark II, I believe. It doesn't have the adjustable AccuTrigger. I'm using a CV Life scope that Travis sent me. It is a 9 power scope. So I'm not using my 16 power Bushnell scope, but I already hit some targets out of 200 with this. But I couldn't find a can. So we're just gonna shoot a 4-inch steel Air 1500 steel target or something. So yeah, I'll show you guys the ammo I'm using. This is CCI, oh it's upside down, but it's CCI Quiet Fire. I think your Quiet 22 LR. Goes 710 feet per second. I already slapped it in a ballistics calculator thing. So I'm gonna go set the target up and we'll get to shooting. Alright, everything's set up. I can start shooting now. Alright. Y'all can see the target down there. Rack it. Guess y'all can look at it. Alright. Here we go. Alright. I don't know where that hit. Alright, I'm gonna turn. Oh, this target's super hard to hit. Especially because I can't see where the heck I'm hitting. I think I actually saw the bullet in there. Oh, hit it. Hit it. It just fell over. Alright. Well, I hit it. I'm gonna go observe it and then maybe we'll try to hit it a couple more times. Alright. I hit it. Like I showed y'all down there. This is a bullet fragment. So, I'm gonna sling some more lead down there. See if I can get a solid hit on there. 5 loaded. Okay. We're going for another one. Oh, I saw that one. It hit too far left, or right. I was aiming too far right. Hit it. I heard a little ding. Well, hit it twice. I think that's good enough. For 200 subscribers, I hit it twice. Now, I think when I hit 300, I have a bigger plate, a little bit bigger, so we'll throw it out to 300. So that'll be the next one, 300 yards. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this one. I really enjoyed it. I really like long range shooting, especially with my 22. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. And also, thank you guys for 200 subscribers. And let's get to 300 so I can shoot 300 yards. So now, enough of yapping. See you guys in the next one.